Baytown window experts are your go-to professionals for all your window needs in Baytown, TX. Whether you're looking for bow windows installation or Baytown window replacement, our team of Baytown window specialists is here to provide top-notch service. We specialize in custom bow windows, Baytown and energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home is both stylish and sustainable. For those seeking residential window solutions, Baytown Home Windows offer a variety of options to suit your style and budget. Our Baytown window contractors are skilled in window installation services, providing seamless and efficient service. From bow windows Baytown to other window styles replacement, our Baytown window professionals handle it all with precision and care. Bow windows Baytown design is expertise of ours, offering unique and elegant solutions for your home. Our Baytown bow window experts provide comprehensive bow window style consultation Baytown, ensuring your windows complement your home's architecture. With bow window customization Baytown, you can achieve the perfect look for your residence. Energy-efficient bow windows Baytown are a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our insulated bow windows Baytown provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Baytown window weatherproofing services further enhance your window's performance, protecting against the elements. Baytown window renovation is made easy with our expert team. We offer bow window enhancements and bow window upgrades to modernize your home. Our bow windows Baytown maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition, while bow window sealing services Baytown provide added protection against drafts and moisture. For those in need of bow windows Baytown services, Baytown TX window replacement services are available to address any issues promptly. Our Baytown window frame replacement services restore the integrity of your windows, while our window fitting services ensure a perfect fit every time. Trust our Baytown TX window specialists for all your window needs. Bow windows Baytown installation services are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. Our Baytown bow window installation experts provide professional and efficient service, ensuring your new windows are installed to the highest standards. With Baytown bow window enhancements, your home will stand out in the neighborhood. Custom bow windows Baytown offer a personalized touch to your home, allowing you to express your unique style. Our bow window customization Baytown services provide endless possibilities for design and functionality. Whether you're looking for a classic or contemporary look, our Baytown bow window experts can bring your vision to life. Window style consultation is an essential part of our service, helping you choose the best options for your home. Our Baytown window style consultation services provide expert advice and guidance, ensuring your windows enhance your home's aesthetic. With our Baytown bow window maintenance services, your windows will remain beautiful and functional for years to come.